We are going to talk about concentration. So concentration tells us how much solute is dissolved in a given volume of solution. Concentrated solution contains a large amount of solute. Okay, dilute solution contains a small amount of solute. For example, if you dissolve a large amount of sugar in a cup, that is called concentrated solution. If you dissolve less sugar, just 1 tablespoon, that's called dilute solution. Okay, so definition: solute, the substance being dissolved. Okay, solvent is the liquid that dissolve the solute. For example, solute could be sugar and solvent could be tea. Okay, and the mixture solution is the mixture of solute and solvent. When you mix sugar in a tea, that is called solution. Okay, another example is salt is dissolved in the water. Salt is solute, solvent is water, and solution is salt solution. Okay, how we can find the concentration? Concentration is equal to mass divided by volume. Mass of a solute divided by the volume. Okay, mass, if we want to calculate mass, we will simply rearrange this formula and that would be concentration into volume. Or if we want to find the volume, so mass divided by concentration, that gives us volume. Now we will do first question. Calculate the concentration of solution by dissolving 20 grams of sodium chloride in 2 decimeter of water. So what is the mass? Mass is 20. 20 divided by what is volume? Volume is 2. So 20 divided by 2 is 10 grams per decimeter cube. Okay, that is quite simple. A solution has a concentration of 8 grams per decimeter cube and volume of 5 decimeter cube. So the formula is concentration is equal to number of moles vo- over volume, or you can say concentration. We have here we have to find the mass. So mass is equal to concentration into volume. So we will just cross multiply it. So that will give us mass. So concentration is 8 and volume is 5. So that is 40 grams. Okay, we can rearrange this formula. So moles is equal to concentration into volume. So for example, the example is the concentration of a solute is zero point 0.5 and of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 0.25 decimeter cube. Find the concentration. So concentration is simply is equal to mass divided by volume, that is 0.5 divided by 0.25, that will be 2 moles per decimeter cube. A solution has a concentration of 1.5 moles per decimeter cube and the volume is 2 decimeter cube. Find the number of moles. So moles is equal to simply C is equal to N over V. We have the concentration. I will do it here. Concentration C is equal to N over V. So C is what? C is 1.5 and volume I will cross multiply it. So volume is 2. So that will give us 3 moles. Okay. So now we have to convert from centimeter cube to decimeter cube. 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Okay. So if you move from centimeter to decimeter, you have to divide by 1000. If you move from decimeter to centimeter, you have to multiply by 1000. So for example, 25 centimeter, 250 centimeter cube is equal to 0.25 decimeter cube. How? 250 divided by 1000. Okay. Now the example. Calculate the concentration of 0.2 moles dissolved in 500 centimeter cube. First step is to convert volume in decimeter cube. So 500 centimeter cube, we will divide it by 1000. So that will give us 0.5 decimeter cube. So concentration is equal to 0.2, that is moles divided by 0.5. So that is 0.4 moles per decimeter cube. Sometimes the mass is given instead of moles. So how we can calculate? First we will calculate moles. Moles is simply is equal to mass over mr. We have already done this topic. And second is concentration is equal to moles over volume. Now we will go do one example. 10 grams of NaOH is dissolved in 500 centimeter cube of solution. Find the concentration in moles per decimeter cube. So mr of NaOH is 23, 1 sodium, 1 oxygen, and 1 hydrogen. So 23 plus 16 plus 1, that will give us 40. Step 2 is find the number of moles. So 10 divided by 40, that is 10 grams is given. So 40 is mr, so 0.25 moles. Now we will convert 500 centimeter cube to decimeter cube. So we will simply divide it by 1000. So that will be given us 0.5. Step 4 is concentration is equal to a number of moles over volume. So 0.25 divided by 0.5, that will give us 0.5 moles per decimeter cube. Dilution, when water is added, when the number of moles remain the same and volume increases. Okay, so the concentration decreases. This is called dilution, that we done when we need dilute solution, that we do mostly on acid to minimize their harm. Concentration is the formula for concentration is mass over volume, mass divided by volume. Mass is equal to opposite of that, that is concentration into volume. Volume is equal to mass divided by concentration. Moles is equal to, so concentration is equal to moles divided by volume, and moles is equal to concentration into volume. And that's all about the today's lecture.